Guys, meet Mel and her baby. She wanted the convenience of getting our evaluation report for free without leaving home. You can see here she gets a portal, she can log in, look at our videos. We spend a day going over the car, checking all the cosmetics and going right through the mechanical. Here's Gareth checking through the brake system. Once Mel got the report, she decided she was going to do some restoration work on her baby. We started off with some small structural repairs. You can see Daz here repairing the floor. We want to make sure that the car's as good on the inside as it is on the outside. Once those repairs were complete, it's time to start addressing the cosmetic parts. Firstly, the interior. You can see the new interior in place. Looks absolutely fantastic. With our bespoke leather interior and the fluted back seats that have become much of a trademark. With all the mechanical and cosmetic work done, our baby was ready to go back to Mel.
Oh, my baby's back. Oh wow, she looks great. Oh, super. Woohoo!
We love nothing better than making people's dreams come true by building the best Nissan Figaros in the world. And although on this occasion we weren't able to meet Mel, we were still able to bring our baby back to her in lovely condition. So if you think you'd be interested in a convenient service, getting a free evaluation and carrying out some TLC on your Figaro, then give us a shout. Cheers guys, see ya.